Hey riders, welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about Harley-Davidson launches for 2025, the new Harley-Davidson X440. This bike is Harley's way of breaking into a new segment, a mid-capacity motorcycle that's built for riders who want the Harley attitude without the heavyweight size. Design: classic Harley DNA in a compact package. The 2025 Harley-Davidson X440 carries unmistakable Harley styling, from its muscular tank design and chrome accents to its upright riding posture. The round LED headlamp with a DRL ring gives it a neo-retro vibe, while the wide handlebars and sculpted tank scream Harley heritage. It's designed to turn heads in the city and still feel comfortable on long rides. Engine and performance: punchy mid-range power. At the heart of the X440 is a 440 cubic centimeters oil-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers strong low and mid-range torque, exactly what Harley fans love for cruising. It's tuned for smooth acceleration, making city riding effortless while still giving you enough punch for open highways. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, ensuring that signature Harley sound in a smaller displacement package. Handling: light, agile, and confident. The X440 has been engineered with a lightweight yet rigid chassis, making it far more agile than Harley's big cruisers. The suspension setup, telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, is tuned for a balance of comfort and control. Whether it's city traffic, twisty roads, or highway stretches, the bike feels planted and responsive. Braking and safety: ready for any road. Equipped with disc brakes on both ends and dual-channel ABS, the X440 ensures safe stopping power in all conditions. The wide tires add grip and stability, especially during cornering or wet weather riding. Technology: modern touches for the new age. Despite its retro-inspired look, the 2025 Harley-Davidson X440 comes loaded with modern features, including a digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation support. This blend of old-school Harley charm and modern-day convenience makes it a great choice for both new-age riders and traditionalists. Comfort: built for all-day riding. The ergonomics of the X440 are tuned for comfort. A slightly forward foot position, upright bars, and a plush seat mean you can ride longer without fatigue. The pillion seat is equally comfortable, making it great for two-up journeys. Target audience: who's this bike for? The Harley-Davidson X440 is aimed at younger riders, urban commuters, and those who've always dreamed of owning a Harley but found the big cruisers intimidating or expensive. It's accessible, stylish, and still carries the brand's legendary appeal. Conclusion: a new chapter for Harley-Davidson. With the 2025 Harley-Davidson X440, the brand has successfully stepped into a whole new segment without losing its identity. It's affordable, stylish, performance-driven, and above all, still unmistakably Harley. That's it for today's review here on Bike Review Hub. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed bike reviews and updates from the world of two wheels.